Hey Joas, so I'm back again. I've been listening again to what you've been saying on social media and everything else, and it seems like one of the other moves that perhaps you are struggling with or you could do with some more information on is the turn with a snap and a shoulder roll. Now, what about them? Okay, so some of you are having problems turning in time to get the snap with a stomp and then the shoulder roll. So that's kind of getting lost from there to there. It seems like people want to get in the right place for the shoulder roll, but because of the time, they're missing out the 3 points: the turn, the snap, and the shoulder roll. So I'm going to try and give you some tips on how to turn fast, basically, on that move. So you've got the jump out to the left corner. Then you've got the in, out, haven't you? Cool. So, ba, ba, ba. Now, secret to turning fast is to keep it small. Just like I say on the DVD, keep your feet tight. Get this leg, the one that's behind, to go as closely to the standing leg as you can. So let's do it in instructor terms. Take your right leg behind and put it as tightly as you can. So it's literally on the side of your instructor, left leg. Okay, take your right leg and step as close as you can to the left leg and to the side. The toes are quite close and your weight is on the ball of the foot. Start turning and swiveling. Pick it up. So fast pace is ba, 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 ba. You've got that step out after the turn to give you the opportunity to come out of the turn, stomp, up, down. So once again, out, in, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you keep the turn tight, if you manage to turn fast, step out, you will have time to bring the knee up. The chest drops towards the knee and then you pop up. Shoulders are quite relaxed. Rather than trying to keep a straight spine, it doesn't work because you've got to get down and get up. Yeah? So, ball of the foot, keep it as tight as you can, turn, step out, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So practice the up, down. Practice the up, down. Ba, 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 da, da, up, down. And it really does help to keep the weight on the ball of the foot when you're actually turning. Shoo. Yeah? It works. It works really well. Then trying to swivel on the heel. That may be you. Analyze how you actually turn. Hey-ya! But stay on the ball of the foot and whip it round. Step out to give you balance, and you're in the right place to bring your knee. Yes. You bring your knee up to your chest? No. No? Have you got an itch?
No.
No?
I think I need to put my sleeve down.
You think you need to pull your sleeve down? I think that will be your trouser leg. There you go. Sorry about that. Okay. After you bring the knee up and after you bring the knee up and you place it back down, you've got the shoulder roll. So making sure that that is sharp up, down, and then you stomp the opposite leg and you circle your shoulder. For this, I would say stay wide with your feet. Lean back slightly and kind of check your shoulder out like you've got a bug on your shoulder. and you're kind of looking at it and maybe even dancing with it. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. The elbows stay quite close to the body. And then that move will look quite comfortable, shall we say, rather than going like that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? So, differentiate between the 3 moves. Make sure you turn fast, step out, up, down, and then you're in the right position to do the shoulder roll. Try not to merge them, drill them separately. So drill the turn. Thank you. Drill just the turn, drill the knee, and then put it together with the turn. And then put the foot down and then circle the shoulder. One thing also which, let's say, we can consider is the difference in textures. So you've got the big jump. I know that it happens very, very quickly, so we can't be hanging up in the air for a long time, but there is no need there is no reason why we can't bring our knees up and then jump out quick. Boom, boom. Yeah, so that's big and then fast. Shum, shum.
It's like a giant.
It's like a giant, yes. It's like a giant. Yes, so sharp, sharp. And then again, the turn is quick, whip it. Shum, shum. Up, down. Up, down. So that's pretty quick. And then you've got the smoothness and the laid back of that shoulder. So it's worth playing around and making sure that you've got the textures of the moves right. So there's contrast in everything that you do, and your members can see the moves separately, because just bear with me. You hurt your chin. Okay. Mwah. There you go. Yeah, if you've got the contrast in your textures, the moves will be a lot clearer because there'll be a difference between them, and visually your members will be able to recognize that and see all of the moves as singles or singularities rather than just one big bundle of moves. I hope that helped once more. Let me know what you think. You can get me on Facebook, on my Instagram page, which is Shay_S_XX. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want more of, and I will put it up into the ether. Until next time, see you later.